In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute email in Gmail. Muting is a really handy feature when you're stuck in a long email thread that you don't need to follow closely, but you also don't want to delete or unsubscribe from. Maybe it's a group conversation that doesn't really concern you anymore, or a notification thread that's cluttering your inbox. Instead of letting it take over your inbox, you can mute it so new replies go straight to your archive, quietly in the background. Let's walk through exactly how to do this, step by step, on the Gmail web interface. First, open Gmail in your browser and go to your inbox. Find the conversation or specific email you want to mute. You can scroll through your inbox or use the search bar at the top to look for a subject line, a sender, or any keyword related to that email. Once you've found it, click on the email to open the full thread. It's important that you actually open the conversation, not just select it from the inbox list, because the option we need appears inside the opened email view. With the email open, look towards the top right area of the message window. You'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu for that email. It sits on the same horizontal line as the reply and other action buttons. Move your cursor over those 3 dots and click them. A drop-down menu will appear, showing several actions you can take on this conversation. In that drop-down list, look for the option labeled Mute. Go ahead and click on Mute. The moment you do this, Gmail will remove that conversation from your inbox view and archive it. From now on, any new replies to that same thread will quietly skip your inbox and go straight to the All Mail section. You won't see new notifications from it in your main inbox, which helps keep things much cleaner and more focused. If you ever need to find the muted conversation again, you can search for it by subject or sender, or open the All Mail section from the left-hand sidebar and scroll until you see it. You can then open it and use the same 3-dot menu to unmute it if you change your mind. And that's all there is to it. By opening the email, clicking the 3 dots, and choosing mute, you can quickly reduce inbox noise and focus only on the conversations that truly matter.